So the verdict of the cashew queso, 10 out of 10, no exaggerations whatsoever. What's going on, my beautiful people? Thank you guys so much for joining me for another video. My name is Alex Garfe, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make one of my favorite meals, a Mexican style burrito. So we got rice, beans, we're going to do a little bit of tomatoes on there, a guacamole, and then the final surprise is a cashew queso that I'm going to show you guys how to make here. Can't wait, it's gonna be delicious. So let's get in the kitchen and let's get started. And real quick, if you guys are new to my channel and wondering what to expect, I share vegan recipe videos, vegan food reviews, vegan restaurant reviews, and also vlogs. So if that's something that interests you guys, make sure to click that subscribe button and click that notification bell right next to it so you never miss an upload. With that being said, let's get in the kitchen and make this burrito. All right, guys, so for this queso recipe, you guys are going to need 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. I got half a teaspoon of some pink salt on there, a 1/3 cup of some unsweetened and unflavored soy milk. We got a little over half a cup of cashews just because I overestimated when I was soaking them, but I figure it'll be creamier anyway, so no big deal there. Got 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and 1 tablespoon of lime juice right here. And then here we have half of a small onion that's sauteed, along with these pickled jalapenos that I put in there. And then the garlic is still fresh, I did not saute that. And right here we have half of a sweet potato that we boiled. So we're gonna throw all this into a blender, and that's gonna make our cashew queso. All right, so I'm gonna start with the liquid first. Then we'll add the sweet potatoes, onions and jalapenos and garlic. We'll go ahead and throw the cashews in here. Clean up our station and let's blend. All right, guys, check out that queso. I just tasted it with a spoon just to make sure it's got enough salt and everything, and it tastes delicious. So let's go ahead and start making this burrito. So first we got half a cup of rice, and then we got half a cup of beans. Let's turn this so you guys can see a little better. Make sure you get that queso all up in there, and then we'll just add some tomatoes over top. And guys, we are ready to roll this bad boy up. Now, I did not have any ripe avocado. I know I told you guys I'd do some avocados, but they are hard as a rock, so I cannot use them. So it'll have to be a no avocado burrito, but we got that creaminess from the cashew cheese sauce anyway. So the verdict of the cashew queso, 10 out of 10, no exaggerations whatsoever. You guys can use this queso for nachos. You can use it for like quesadillas, pretty much anything that needs like a savory, cheesy sauce. This queso is going to work. It's not only just for Mexican dishes, you can use it for other kind of dishes as well. I can't wait to just use this as a chips and queso dip here soon. I did buy some chips today, so I'm gonna try it just like that. And you can warm it up in the microwave for like 20-30 seconds just so it gets even more hot and creamy, and that would probably elevate it to the next level. I took it right out of the blender, so it's not as hot as I would want it to be, but I don't really mind. The rice and the beans were already not that hot either, so I'm used to eating my food like this anyway, but if you guys wanted to warm it up, that would definitely elevate this meal even more. And I got the cashew queso recipe from Plant-Based News, so if you guys aren't following them yet on Instagram, and make sure to follow them. They post a ton of informational content regarding the vegan and the plant-based movement. The only thing I didn't do was I kind of took their recipe and added just a bit of a twist to it. I didn't follow their directions completely, but hey, you got to do your own thing. So either way, it turned out delicious and I really enjoyed it, and I would love for you guys to make it and let me know what you guys think as well, because it was that tasty. I've yet to ever make a cashew queso. I always went the cheap and the easy route, buying queso from the stores and whatnot, but I've never actually made a true one with cashews. So I'm really excited that I did that, and I'll definitely be making it in the future as it was super delicious. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys thought. I would love to hear your guys' feedback, and as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Deuce.